Come on, let's go and eat, Orihime.
Oh, Uryu, I'm not hungry at all yet, so I'll just hang out here for a while. Hey, okay, busted, I'm fibbing. Maybe I am hungry. Oh, this is embarrassing.
Orihime, go on. It's okay, I'll be fine.
I know that. It's just that I want to stay and practice some more. Besides, I'm not really that hungry. Really.
Orihime, please.
Thank you for the meal.
Yeah.
Orihime, are you done?
Oh, yeah. Really, I'm full. See? Really? My stomach is full after all.
You really don't have to go that far. Just forget that I ever asked.